Well, our brown bread experiment turned out really good, as you can see. Absolutely delicious, okay? It's the first time I ever baked bread, and as John Lennon said one time, now that I've baked a loaf of bread, I feel like a man. This is great. So I'm going to take a little sample of this, like so. Taste it. Absolutely delicious. A great achievement. So happy. I'm going to even celebrate and drink for my endeavours. So, every time you bake a loaf of brown bread, have a nice glass of Moe. Good for you. In these tough times that we live in poor old Ireland. So, here's to everybody in brown bread country, County Cork.